Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Everything Food. Tonight we got a great meal ahead of us. Gonna make a nice, fresh, crispy chicken sandwich, some homemade fries. Hope you enjoy. What's great about this sandwich is everything complements each other. The crispiness of that chicken, the hotness of that buffalo sauce, the coolness of the ranch, the freshness of the tomato and arugula, and the sweetness of that brioche bun. And don't forget to season those fries fresh out of the fryer with some buffalo ranch seasoning. Hey guys, Chef Bobby here. Would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button. Follow me, the journey of food. Let's connect through food. You guys have any recipes you want me to try? Any questions you have about food? Let me know. Drop it down in the comment section, and we'll go from there. I hope you have a great day, and see you soon.